Yo YouTube, what is up? It is Jeepin' Daily. Welcome back to the channel. I'm currently waiting outside of my girlfriend's house, waiting for her to get home. So I'm gonna intro this video and give you guys some little quick background information on what you're about to watch. Basically, my dad just picked this two-wheel drive Chevy up for $1,000. It is a 4.8 liter Vortec V8. And it has a little over 244,000 miles on the original motor, original trans. Everything about the truck is original. But yeah, the front tires were pretty worn out, so we swapped the front tires to the back and the back tires to the front, so we didn't waste the good tires. And what better way to what better excuse to get a new set of tires than to burn off your old ones to go buy new ones? So yeah, we just ripped it in a parking lot, and it's private property. It's closed in, like 110% legal what we're doing here. But yeah, truck's 244,000, almost 250,000 miles. And it just took a pretty good beating. But I'm gonna let you guys get into this video. If you enjoy, like and subscribe for more content like this coming as often as I can do it. Peace out.